Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen. It's Randy, MyScreenKit.net, king of SolarScreens.com throughout the entirety of the state of Texas. Folks, I'm showcasing this beautiful home up in Clear Lake, Texas, where the original was this mill or non-painted aluminum framework. They wanted to keep that look considering the beautiful color they did for the brick as well as this outline. One thing I love is I'm one of the last folks in the state that carries 1-inch mill. And yes, you will find that at the MyScreenKits website, so you can have that shipped directly to your home as well. Lots of beautiful changes getting ready to happen over there at the MyScreenKit.net's website. King of SolarScreens.com. For over 20 years, Houston, we have kept you cool. And unlike any other, we do not overcharge. And I love that. Hey, while you're here, like us or subscribe to us, as this afternoon we are going to make a video on colonial grid work, how to do it at your home, as our MyScreenKit.net. As we shut it down for the month of June and bring it back in July, we will have where you can order colonial and do it yourself. How awesome is that? Oh my, we're definitely making this easy for anyone and everyone, anywhere in the U.S. Oh my, you guys have a great day.